Hey guys, this is going to be a review of the Samsung Restore. Um, so far I've had it for about 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and it is being a pretty decent phone. Um, this is the setup screen, or the main screen, when you first turn it on. If you have this lock feature on, and to unlock you just do that. You've got background on there. You can change this. Let's go to the menu. You're not going to be able to read this because I'm using a really bad camera, but My Stuff, Downloads, Web, Tools and Settings, Maps, Missed Alerts, Messaging, My Account, Photos, Contacts, Media Player, and Social Networking. So under Messaging, you can just see voicemail, everything that normally comes with messaging. Downloads, I haven't downloaded anything, but you just connect to the internet and you can download apps and music and stuff for your phone, which goes into My Stuff. Application Manager, which doesn't say I have anything downloaded. Got a couple games. You can get ringtones, graphics, applications. These are all come already on it. With the Beyond Talk plan, which has unlimited text and web. Technically, you should be getting the Navigator thing for free, but it still costs an extra amount of money. Google Maps is free, I believe, and the IM, it says it costs money, but if you have the unlimited thing, it doesn't. So, go to your account and review all your stuff. Photos, it's got a camera. It's not the greatest camera, but it's definitely not the worst. Compared to this Intercept, it seems decent. And when you take a video, there's long and video for male, and they each have different settings you can change. Like, you can change to the camera, all these. You know, keep everything on auto, brightness, self-timer, effects, and you can change the quality. If you have it on economy, I get an hour. I think is this on the phone memory? Yeah, it's just on the memory on the phone, and then 27 hours and 46 minutes if I don't have it on that, which is pretty good, but the quality is terrible. Alright, something somebody wanted to know is if you could listen to music and text at the same time. So, go over to the media player. Just get a song going that's not super duper crazy. Alright, and then click that, and then you can either exit the music player, no, or consent to the background. And that will allow you to pretty much do anything while listening to the music. So let's quickly get something going on. Can add new contact, or I'll just do this. And type. I'm still listening to music. And then if you want to get back to it, you have to go all the way back to that. Now playing, and stop it. I do not own this song. It's by this guy named on YouTube named Hackstep, I believe. The song is called Why. Let's exit that. Web. Somebody wanted to know if you can go to YouTube. I'm on DeviantArt right now, so let's go to YouTube. DeviantArt works decent, I guess. I have really slow internet out here with my phone because I'm out in the country. There's YouTube. We'll just click one of these. RuneScape membership, score. Okay, we'll just do the first one. It's like Confused Little Lamb. I don't know what that is. I don't really care either. It's about 30 seconds long. Almost 40. I just woke up too. I wanted to make this a while ago, but never had the time. And no camera. Everything got stolen. So you can see the camera, the little green light. Ooh. I don't even know if it'll be able to connect and load out here because I have no bars, but it plays YouTube videos. Yeah, 408 error. Sorry about that. But you can watch videos. They don't play the greatest. It's mainly good for music. Music works pretty decent over YouTube if you wanted to listen to a song. This is a screensavery thing I have. Comes with the phone. When you make a new contact, you can add the number or name, number, email, an instant messaging service like Gmail, AIM. You can change their birth date, job. A lot of useless stuff to me because I don't really need to put their birth date in because I already have that on my iPod and iPad. It just tells me. It makes a lot of noise. There's that. You can change this in the settings. Quite a decent amount of settings. Auto keycard, that's the thing in the beginning. We have to click these two buttons to turn it on. Wallpaper, foreground, picture IDs for your people. You can change the clocks to basic analog, digital, or calendar. I just have it on this. These are the different ones. I just like that one. And that's just a brief overview. Sorry I wasn't very coordinated or anything, but I'm still sleepy, and if you guys want to send me some messages or comments on what else you would like to see me talk about on this phone, just do that. Alright, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe.